This is what happens when we live in a micro world. Micro workers squeezing an orange like a giant tank. Flipping beefsteak like it's heavy-duty construction. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoy videos like this. Or else a giant centipede might crawl on your foot at exactly 12:45 p.m. Using a crane just to pick one strawberry. Rolling sushi like tiny engineers on a deadline. Grilling barbecue with full construction gear.